Welcome to Healthforyou. Ever feel a nagging symptom you ignore, like fatigue, hair loss, or cracked lips? These are your body's coded messages about your health. Today we'll decode the top 8 warning signs your body uses to tell you it's low on essential vitamins. Let's get started. Notice your hair splitting or nails chipping for no reason? That's often a sign of low biotin or vitamin B7. Biotin is crucial for strong hair and nails. Without it, the foundation weakens. Instead of expensive products, focus on your diet. Eggs, nuts, seeds, spinach, and sweet potatoes are great sources. Even mild biotin deficiency can show up as brittle hair and nails. Strength starts from within. Nourish your body, and the results will show. True beauty is built on solid nutrition. Recurring mouth ulcers or cracks at the corners of your lips. These are classic signs of B vitamin and iron deficiencies. Boost your intake with whole grains, eggs, leafy greens, beans, and lean meats. Pair plant-based iron with vitamin C for better absorption. A balanced diet helps your body repair and keeps your mouth healthy. Bleeding gums aren't always about brushing too hard. They can signal low vitamin C. Vitamin C is vital for collagen, which keeps gums strong. Add more bell peppers, citrus, strawberries, and broccoli to your meals. A diet rich in vitamin C supports gum health and your immune system. Don't just change your toothbrush, change your plate. Listen to your gums, they're telling you what you need. Struggling to see in low light? Night vision problems often point to vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is essential for the pigment that helps you see in the dark. Eat more carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs, and dairy. Both animal and plant sources matter. Your eyes need both. Protect your vision by fueling your body right. Persistent dandruff or scaly skin. You might be low in zinc and B vitamins like B2, B3, and B6. These nutrients keep your skin barrier strong and oil production balanced. Get them from whole grains, dairy, meat, legumes, and green veggies. Healthy skin starts with what you eat, not just what you put on it. Feed your skin from the inside out. Sudden hair loss or bald spots can signal iron deficiency. Iron delivers oxygen to hair follicles. Without it, hair growth stalls. Eat more red meat, poultry, fish, lentils, and spinach. Pair plant iron with vitamin C. Always check with your doctor before supplementing. Restore your hair by restoring your nutrients. Small, rough bumps on your arms or cheeks. This chicken skin often means you're low on vitamins A and C. These vitamins help regulate skin cell turnover and keratin production. Add carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, citrus, and bell peppers to your diet. While genetics play a role, nutrition can smooth things out. Restless legs at night? RLS is often linked to low iron, magnesium, or folate. Iron is key for dopamine, which controls muscle movement. Eat iron-rich foods, plus nuts, seeds, and legumes for magnesium. If symptoms persist, see your doctor and check your iron levels. Sometimes better sleep starts with better nutrition. Your body's subtle signs are important messages. Don't ignore them. Stay curious about your symptoms and consult a healthcare professional before making changes. Prioritize a colorful, nutrient-rich diet. Food is your best medicine. True health is holistic. Eat well, move often, sleep enough, and hydrate. Listen to your body and respect its signals. What signs has your body shown you? Share in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy and stay curious.